In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart to a Shopify product page using Shopify 2.0 Metafields and the Dawn theme. This tutorial will guide you through creating a size chart that can dynamically display for each of your products, tailored to suit the specific needs of your customers. To start, let's create a size chart page. Head over to your Shopify admin and navigate to Online Store, then click on Pages. Here, select the option to Add Page. Give your page a descriptive title like Size Chart so it's easily identifiable later. This page is where you'll either craft a table with your size data or insert an image that represents this information, depending on whether your size details are straightforward or a bit more intricate. Once you're happy with how the size chart looks, make sure to save the page. Next, we're moving on to creating the size chart metafield. You'll begin this step by going to Settings and then selecting Metafields. From this section, click on Products, which will allow us to define a new metafield specifically for our size chart. Click Add Definition and give this new metafield a clear name such as Size Chart, so you know exactly what it references. Select Page as the type. This option allows you to link to the size chart page we just set up. Once everything looks good with the metafield, don't forget to click Save. Now that we have our size chart page and metafield set up, it's time to add the size chart directly to the product page template. Navigate back to Online Store and then to Themes. Choose Customize to open the theme editor. At the top menu, select Product Pages because that's where we want our size chart to appear. In this section, you'll add either a collapsible row or a pop-up block to the product page template. This feature will let customers interact with the size chart in the way you choose, whether it appears directly on the page or in an eye-catching pop-up. Once you've inserted the block, it's important to rename it to something intuitive like Size Chart so your customers instantly know what this block is for. Then, you'll need to connect the dynamic source of this block to the metafield we made earlier. If you opted for the collapsible row, simply select the size chart page we created to fill in the content of the row. If you chose to go with a pop-up, ensure that it's linked appropriately to the size chart page so when customers click, the size chart is displayed attractively and in full detail. Finally, review all your changes, make sure everything is hooked up correctly, and hit Save. And there you have it. Your Shopify product pages now feature a dynamic size chart for a better shopping experience. With this setup, each of your products can display its unique sizing information, making it easier for customers to make informed purchasing decisions.